Cause these rap niggas, they'll tell you about all these bodies and all this shit, woo woo. They don't tell you niggas ain't get paid for that shit. They not rich because they was out here sliming niggas out and shit like that. That money ain't come from that. That money came to push that on to you so you can go into the prison system and work for 35 cents an hour. And you get what I'm saying? Exactly, to make your ass think this shit is what you supposed to do to get some money, and then you gonna fuck around and give your life away, and it's gonna be too late at that point. You know how many niggas sit in a cell every day? That's the punishment. You gotta sit there for however long they told you you got to be in that motherfucker, and you can't just leave. You can't be like, all right, damn, I learned my lesson. No matter how many times you sit there and think about your lesson, you still in that motherfucker.